morning, What's Wonderfully Wise Whiz Kids. Today, after doing your read aloud and learning about the relationship of place value being times 10, we're going to make a table. So here are your exciting instructions. Open a blank tab by clicking on the plus sign. Then you're going to go to your array. Once you're in your array, you're going to click on Google Drive. From Google Drive, you're going to click New, and you're going to click Google Slides. All right, we're making a new slide. Now, after you do the read aloud, it asks you to complete a table to show the relationship of spots to ladybugs. So that's what we're going to do. And Miss Woods is going to show you a couple of ideas. I want you to be creative. You can make it fancy if you want. All right, so I'm going to delete these text boxes out of here and make this a blank slide.
You can also draw a table and upload a picture of your work. Just make sure to complete your table.
If you want to add slides, you simply go up here to this plus button. See the drop down? And then they have all different layouts. I always like to start with a blank slide. Then I like to give it a background color. So I click on background, I click on color, and I click done. You can select any color that you want. Now, we need to add, I like to add graphics or images. So I'm going to click on the image. I'm going to search the web, and guess what I'm going to add? Picture of a ladybug. But I want the background to be transparent, meaning that whatever's in the background you can't see. So I'm going to type the word transparent background. Ooh, yes. Now, our ladybugs are supposed to have 10 spots on them. This isn't the cutest ladybug. It looks more like a little spider. And we need to add a spot to him. So Miss Woods is adding a spot to him. Spot. All right. And now we're going to insert a table. And then I need to make sure, you need to make sure you share it with Miss Woods. And make sure we share it with Miss Woods. So we're going to type PJ Woods 2. And when we see Miss Woods' picture, we're going to click on it. And we're going to send Miss Woods a note. Tell me what you like about ladybugs. I like the red in ladybugs. You have one ladybug. How many spots do we have? We have 10 spots. When you have two ladybugs, how many spots do you have? You have 20 spots. And when you have 50 spots, how many ladybugs do you have? Use the relationship of place value in order to determine spots and ladybugs. All right, complete the chart.